or the Just Gotta Knows. If you are new to our channel, welcome. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's really quick, just click it really fast. And if you are a returning member to our community, we love you guys and we thank you. I've been watching a couple of people that follow us, so we follow them back, and we're just, you know, out there supporting one another. And everybody has been getting their Ipsy and BoxyCharm boxes, and I'm just like, I'm always seriously like the last person to get it, but I got my Ipsy box not too long ago. Like, one girl got hers like on April 1st. She was already filming, and I'm like, okay. So the good thing about Ipsy, they sent us an email. If you know more information, just go ahead and put it in the comments, because I kind of want to know a little bit about it. But they were, and I'm just gonna look down because I'm reading off my phone. Because of this COVID-19, they've been wanting to support like all the people in healthcare, and they've partnered up with the American Nurses Foundation, and so they said that they were going to match every dollar donated by Ipsters up to $50,000. So they said the full plans were going to be sent out next week, which they sent this in March, like the end of March. So I've been kind of looking, and I don't know, maybe it got sent an email and I'm just like not reading correctly. Sometimes I kind of just skip over the Ipsy like add-on stuff. So if you guys know more information about that, I would really like to donate to their thing, because I totally get it. Like, I wouldn't be able to be a nurse right now. I wouldn't be able to be a nurse anyways, because I would feel bad poking you with a needle. But like right now, it's really scary to go into work. Like, you can get sick, and that's just not cool. So if you guys know more information about that, please let me know in the comments, see what you guys get. But let's get into the Ipsy box. I opened it already. So first thing off is you're gonna get a paper. Full bloom is a theme, right? And I've already been kind of like cheating and seeing like what everybody else has been getting, so I kind of wanted to see how customized this box was for me. And I probably got a lot of the same products that everybody else has been getting. So if you got the exact same box I did, let me know, because I want to know. Actually, it's not very customized, because I already get stuff that I say that I don't want, and I get it anyway, so whatever. It is what it is, right? I have the Ipsy Premium or something. I get the Ipsy Glam Plus. Is that a thing? Premium is BoxyCharm, right? I don't know. I get the one that's $30-something. That's not the little samples, but the one above it. That's the one I get. So first thing is they will send you this little makeup bag, which is kind of cute. Has like flowers or dragonflies. What are those? I don't know. Flowers. And then this cool little thing. I give all of my bags away, because what makeup is gonna fit in this? Like, I can put pencils. So to me, I need like a big old box or a big old bag. But anyways, and in the background today I have Little Mermaid, because somebody requested a Little Mermaid, so hopefully it's not annoying you guys. So this little paper says everything that they sent and the price, which you can't see. Okay, so first thing is this Ciate London Triple Shot Mascara in black. So let's just open this and see what the little wand looks like. So it's called Triple Shot. It's in black. I mean, it's a good wand, I guess. I'm just gonna read the tip, okay? So the tip says you'll need more than just water to take this stuff off at the end of the day. Soak a cotton round in an oil-based makeup remover and gently sweep across your lids until they're clean. Okay, so this mascara retails at $22. So there's that. I'm not mad about this, because I can always use mascara, and I'm not really picky. Some of it are thin, and I'll just keep going and going, and if I don't like it, then I'll just grab something else and put it on top of it. sometimes like when I have nowhere to go, or I'm just gonna like go real quick to the supermarket and I just put eyeliner and mascara, I don't really care what I put on. So I'm not like hating it. The next thing is this Shania B Miami little makeup palette, eyeshadow palette. Let's show you the shades. Comes with a little mirror. These are a lot of nude shades. It's upside down, guys. So I don't want to swatch this because I think it may be on my Poshmark store or in a giveaway, because these are colors anybody can use. This was something that you could have chosen from, and I didn't choose this because I've been choosing eyeshadows a lot. So I chose a lip product, but they still sent me this anyway, so it's okay. I'm not mad about it. Then this eyeshadow retails for 20 bucks. Not bad for 20 bucks. I don't know if I'd buy it. Maybe if I swatched the colors right, but I'm not. The tip for the eyeshadows is, for a sheer diffused wash of color, use a fluffy shadow brush to sweep these shadows over your lids. Okay. Okay, so then this next is this, is it Sela Cream Rose. So with this cream, when I was looking at the other videos, I thought that it was like a really big cream, but it's just like the size of my hand. I was thinking that it was going to be like the big ones that you get from Bath and Body Works. I don't know why. $40, right? You would think it's humongous. But this is Bath and Body, $12.50. This is, I don't know what, $40 almost. Look at this. Why would somebody spend $40 when they can get this big old baby for $12.50? And probably not even that. I never spend regular price. This was probably like buy 3 get 3 free. So this is ridiculous. Don't send me this. Right? Who loved their cream? If you loved your cream, tell me down below that I'm crazy. Or you can agree with me. It smells okay. It smells good, but I don't know. Is this going to bring like a lot of moisture? For the cream, this is $39. The tip is slather this body cream on damp skin as soon as you hop out of the shower. It'll lock in the extra water for lasting hydration. I'm probably going to give that cream to somebody. Probably my mom. Okay, so this next one, I'm kind of like, I've been seeing everybody else's boxes, and at first I was like, I don't like getting eyeliners. Like, I told them to stop sending eyeliners because I was getting a lot of liquid eyeliner, and I don't really know how to do it. Okay, so if you guys know of somebody that has given a tutorial on how to do it, like, I know to angle and you start and you swoop and then you connect it, but it's just a disaster when I try it. So if you have tips or tricks or have a video, link it below. Or if you have somebody that does a really good tutorial, link them below. I need help. Okay, so this Tarteist double take eyeliner in black is really cool because it's a liquid liner on one end, and then on the other end, here we go again, it's a pencil. That's cool. I'm not mad about this. I'm gonna keep this and use this. Let me swatch this since I'm gonna use it. Y'all see? It's not as dark as, let me show you. You guys really love this. And let me try it again just so that we're not, I'm gonna go a little darker. Okay, you see? So if you love this eyeliner, you don't know, look how baby my little one is, because I'm gonna use it to the very bottom. Which one is darker to you guys? Okay, like, so looking from here, which one is darker? This is Tarte. This is Maybelline. I think it's Maybelline. And that's because I did the Tarte twice. So let me do Maybelline twice. Telling you guys, if you don't know, and don't get just whatever Maybelline. It's the Lasting Drama. Okay, Lasting Drama. It's waterproof. Works wonders. Let me try the liner. The liner's good. I mean, I wouldn't know what's good or not because I don't really use them. But, however, I'm not mad about it. This liner is $24. Hold on. The tip for the liner is cat-eyed noob. Yes, I am. Create your best line using the liquid liner first. And if it's a bumpy, see, that's how noob I am, that I don't know what it's a bumpy means. NBD, glide the pencil right on top, then smudge it. Like if my line is bumpy, I don't understand. Okay, glide the pencil right on top, then smudge it out with a brush to create a cool smoky effect. That's with this. That's a tip for that. So the thing that I chose was Dose of Colors, because I guess when I was selecting stuff, I was all about the lip. And I chose Play It Cool, which is what I have on right now. Play It Cool. It's kind of like a purpley color. I don't know if I thought it was purpley. But it kind of gives me like a brownie look. Anyways, this is in Play It Cool. Let me swatch it on my hand for you. So the tip for Play It Cool, Dose of Colors, is this shade stuns alone and plays well with other colors. To customize your hue, try using a lip liner to fill in your lips before layering this liquid lip on top. I kind of want to know if this is the color I chose, because I don't really think this is the shade that I would normally go for, but I'm not mad about it. The Dose of Colors retails for $18. So that was my Ipsy box. Out of a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna go with a 6. Because I don't love anything, but I don't hate everything. Right? I could use the lip, and I could use the liner, and I could use the mascara, so that gets it above a 5. Except I don't want cream. Like, cream's not even something that I would prefer. Anyways, the cream is a waste of a slot. You should have given me something else. The eyeshadows are okay. They're not ugly colors. I just don't want them because I have a lot like that. But it's not horrible. Stay tuned for more videos. Should be getting my BoxyCharm soon. I got an email last week saying that it's been shipped and it was going to take up to 8 days to get here. So I don't know when it's going to be here. Everybody else has been filming their BoxyCharm and I'm still here like, just come on. But I've been looking at a lot of BoxyCharm videos, so I'm hoping that I get some good stuff, because some people are getting good stuff. So anyways, also, if you didn't know, Ulta is having a big spring sale, and stay tuned for that video too, because I went and spent $160 on sale items. So I have that, and then I have a small little Poshmark haul. But anyways, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying indoors, staying sane. I know it's hard when we're so used to getting up and doing what we want to do and we're just stuck at home. But stay safe. I hope your city or your community is doing better with the COVID-19. I pray that your family is healthy and getting through this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more stuff. We have a lot of time on our hands now that we're not at work. Prayers for everybody. Bye guys.